Okay, in this video I want to show you another neat feature when it comes to posting. You can insert a map directly into your post, and it'll look something like this, which is great if you're talking about, listings or open houses. You can drop a map in there so the person knows exactly what you're referencing. Okay, so how you do that is you go into the post that you want to edit. You'll scroll down to where you want it to insert, drop your cursor here so it's blinking. And the insert map button is this little globe right here, right next to the add form. And click add map. And the best way to do this is if you have an exact address. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in our Keller Williams Palm Beaches location. Okay, you just hit add, and it populates a pin right here. The best way to do it, because if you hit save changes, it's going to save the view as it is right now on my screen, and that's pretty far out. So let's go ahead and zoom in. I'm just using my scroll bar on my mouse. You can also use this zoom in button here. Okay, I find it easier to use my mouse. Zoom in. Perfect. And we'll do satellite. You can zoom out a little bit to give a cross street here at Kew Gardens, okay? Now, I always like to edit details of the pin, and so this gives the address of it. But let's go ahead and say KW Palm Beaches. Come by to see our impressive agents or check out the training. Okay, and if you're having an open house, you could say open house, come by to check out this great listing in Abacoa. Food and drinks will be served, etc. You can get kind of creative here. Okay, last thing we want to do is give the map a name, so I'm just going to say KW Palm Beaches. Hit save changes and insert map. Okay, it's going to auto populate this short code, much like we saw here with the contact form. So these short codes are really handy. Hit update on your post. And let's go ahead and take a look at what we created. Okay, we inserted it down at the bottom. Alright, you see how it's come by to see our impressive agents. You can click the tab, shows the location. They can use this map just like a Google map. They can even get directions right to the place. Okay, it's a pretty neat feature, and that's it for inserting a map directly into your post.